sa mga nagdaang mga oras, ang daming pangyayari. Kaya ako na siya magkwento at alam ko So, in the interest of time, meron kasing mga kailangan pa tayong deadlines sa bullet. May I just turn over, and it's my extreme honor and pleasure to introduce to you the Secretary of the Interior of Local Government of the Republic of the Philippines, Honorable Bernard Abalos Mabuhay.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for your kind introduction, Ambassador Fer. Of course, I would like to greet the President of the Filipino Social Club here in the UAE, Dubai, Erickson Reyes, at lahat po ng ating kababayan. No? Sa totoo lang, wala pa po akong tulog. I came from Indonesia, and then Manila, and then I just landed here in Dubai a few hours ago. But right now, I have to fly back to Manila right after my speech. But huwag kayo mag-alala, bukas nasa Dubai ulit ako. And then from Dubai, I might go to Timor-Leste.